Can I take it? Where are you going? Can I please take it? Why not? Can I please take it? Please? Okay, I'm taking this one. That's not yours. Can I please take it? Please? Why? Please? Can I have it? Can I have it, please? Why? Can I have it? Can I have it? Please? Why? Please? I'm gonna take it.
Lemon's little mouse. Got a little lemon here. Gonna throw the mouse. Ready? Bring it here. Bring it here. Do you have it? Lemon. Hey.
About that? Well, I don't know whether I can continue working with you, but I thought you were enjoying it. And like I said, I am. I'm not sure I understand. Well, I've begun to feel that my attraction to the past is not normal.
Play the piano. Play the piano.
I'm afraid it's attractive. Well, that's really the way you feel. How do you get so close to the past and still stay so objective? Are you so sure I am so objective? Yes, you are. I can tell. You know, this is just a thought. Oh, I like to think it means a little more. I meant that you don't think it's over. That's it. But there are those who have said I let my work become a problem. I do anything to say about it. Well, whether it's true or not doesn't matter. The work itself is what is true. If that means we surprised she's not wearing all 3 rainbows.
I told you, they're wet.
Why?
I gave the cat a bath.
Oh, yes. Forgot. You're videotaping it.
Yeah.
It's odd.
No, good. Not weird.